Hi, in today's video from Howstuffinmycarworks.com, I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt, the idler, and tensioner pulleys. To get started, remove the air duct assembly for clearance and disconnect the negative battery cable for safety. Now before you remove the belt, make sure you have the belt routing diagram on your truck. If you don't, go ahead and draw it out so you have reference to reinstall it. Take note, if you're only replacing the serpentine belt, you do not need to remove the fan shroud. But if you're replacing the pulleys like we are, you're going to need to remove the fan shroud from the radiator. To remove the fan shroud, you're going to have to remove the fan clutch and the shroud at the same time. It's easier to loosen the fan clutch bolts before you remove the serpentine belt. Here where the fan clutch bolts are located, go ahead and loosen them. Use a 15mm socket and ratchet or a 15mm wrench, whatever's more comfortable, to release the tension and remove the belt. Apply counterclockwise pressure to the tensioner bolt and remove the belt. Detach the belt from all the pulleys and fully remove it. As you can tell from all these cracks, the belt needed to be replaced. Finish removing your fan clutch bolts with your wrench. After a little bit of maneuvering, go ahead and remove the fan shroud and the fan assembly. Now that the fan shroud is gone, we have plenty of room to remove the pulleys. This one and this one. Use a T50 Torx to remove the idler pulley bolt. Loosen the bolt in a counterclockwise motion, just like any other bolt. After loosening it with the breaker bar, I'm going to use a 3/8" ratchet to make it go quicker. Remember that the tensioner has a left-handed thread bolt. To remove this bolt, loosen it in a clockwise motion. Reuse your tensioner pulley bolt and your idler pulley bolt, and then install the new pulleys in their proper place. Reinstall your fan and your fan shroud. Then install your new belt using the diagram to help you put it on properly. Now you know how to change the serpentine belt and pulleys on your F150. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload videos every week. Thanks for watching. Use a 15mm socket. Do you hear my voice going right now?